Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create folders in Samsung Notes. Creating folders helps you organize your notes into different categories, making them easier to find and manage. Let us get started. The first thing is to open the Samsung Notes app on your Samsung phone. Once the app opens, tap the Menu button located in the upper left corner of the screen. From the navigation menu, tap Folders. On the Folder screen, tap the More button represented by the three vertical dots in the upper right corner. From the menu that appears, tap Create Folder. The Create Folder window will open. Tap the Folder Name field and enter a name for your new folder. Next, choose a color for your folder by tapping one of the available color options. After entering the folder name and selecting a color, tap Add. Your new folder will now appear in the folders list. To add notes to the folder, open the folder and tap the Create Note button in the bottom right corner to create a new note directly inside it. Alternatively, if you already have existing notes, return to the All Notes screen, press and hold the note you want to move, tap the Move option at the bottom of the screen, choose your newly created folder, and then tap Move To confirm. You can create as many folders as you need to keep your notes organized by subject, work, school, or personal use. That's it. You have successfully learned how to create folders in Samsung Notes. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.